Now, this video is specially made for beginners owners, as in this video I have listed top 5 best kayak for beginners in the market. Plus, I have made this list with full of custom-fit kayaks after performing research, which is based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and other features of kayaks. And for your convenience, I have given the link in the description so that you can quickly check out the kayaks. Furthermore, I have ranked them according to usability and compatibility with beginner so that you can choose them according to your requirement. Number 1. The Intex Excursion Pro is an ideal kayak for beginners, offering a perfect blend of stability, durability, and versatility. Its inflatable design makes it easy to transport and store, while the tough laminate PVC material ensures resilience against punctures and abrasions. Equipped with a high-pressure inflation pump, the Excursion Pro can be quickly inflated and ready for the water in no time, making it accessible for novices. Featuring a spacious cockpit and adjustable seats, it provides comfort and customization for paddlers of all skill levels. Additionally, this kayak boasts removable skegs and directional stability, enhancing maneuverability and ease of control for beginners learning the ropes. With ample storage space and convenient mounting options for accessories like fishing rods, the Excursion Pro offers versatility for various water activities. Its affordable price point and user-friendly features make it an excellent choice for those embarking on their kayaking journey. Number 2. The Intex Explorer K2 is an excellent choice for beginners looking to embark on their kayaking adventures. This inflatable kayak offers a perfect balance of affordability, ease of use, and durability. With its lightweight and compact design, it's easy to transport and set up, making it accessible for novice paddlers. The Explorer K2 features a spacious cockpit with adjustable inflatable seats, providing comfort and support for users of all sizes. Its streamlined profile and removable skeg contribute to excellent tracking and stability on the water, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable paddling experience for beginners. Additionally, the kayak is constructed from durable, puncture-resistant vinyl material, enhancing its longevity and resilience against rough waters. With its affordable price point and user-friendly design, the Intex Explorer K2 is an ideal option for beginners eager to explore lakes, rivers, and calm coastal waters. Number 3. The Lifetime Tamarack Kayak is widely acclaimed as the best choice for beginners due to its exceptional stability, durability, and ease of use. Featuring a spacious cockpit and adjustable padded seats, it ensures comfort during long paddling sessions. Its flat bottom and wide hull provide stability, making it perfect for novices navigating calm waters. Constructed from high-density polyethylene, the Tamarack is resistant to impacts and abrasions, ensuring longevity and reliability. With convenient built-in features like multiple storage compartments and fishing rod holders, this kayak offers versatility for beginners eager to explore various water activities. Number 4. Sevilor offers some of the best kayaks for beginners, blending quality construction with user-friendly features. Their inflatable kayaks, like the Sevilor QuickPack K1, are particularly popular for novice paddlers. With its compact design and easy setup, it's perfect for beginners looking for portability and convenience. The QuickPack K1's durable PVC construction ensures stability and reliability on the water, while its adjustable seat provides comfort during long outings. Additionally, its lightweight design makes it easy to transport to and from the water's edge. For beginners seeking a hassle-free introduction to kayaking, the Sevilor QuickPack K1 stands out as an excellent choice. Number 5. Pelican kayaks are renowned for their quality and reliability, making them an excellent choice for beginners. The Pelican Maxim 100X is particularly popular for novice paddlers. Its lightweight design and compact size make it easy to transport and maneuver, while its stable hull ensures confidence on the water. The adjustable padded seat provides comfort during extended outings, and the spacious cockpit offers plenty of room for entry-level paddlers to feel comfortable. With its durable construction and affordable price point, the Pelican Maxim 100X is an ideal option for beginners looking to explore the joys of kayaking without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching, guys. The buying link is given in the description below, so that you can check them on the Amazon.com and choose them accordingly. So, that it from this video, and I hope you like this video on best kayak for beginners, and if this video is helpful to you, please give us like, comment, and subscribe.